Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your interactive account statements online. If you don't have an Interactive Brokers account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the description below for similar stock trading apps. So let's start. Open the website, then click on the login button. To log in, enter your username and password. Then, click on the login button. Once logged in, you can see the options at the top of this page. Click on the Performance and Reports options. A drop-down menu will then appear. Next, click on the Statements option. Now, you can see your default account statements, such as Activity, MTM or Month-to-Month Summary, your Realized Summary, Commodities Regulatory, and your Trade Confirmation. And that's how you view your interactive account statements online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.